Sierra 1500 Limited boasts a gas V8 5.3 liters/325 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wheels, 20x9, 50.8 cm x 22.9 cm, bright machined aluminum, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and powertrain-grade braking, STD, trailer brake controller, integrated. This GMC Sierra 1500 Limited comes equipped with these options: suspension package, off-road includes C71 chrome side front fender emblems, monotube Rancho brand shocks and K47, air cleaner, JHD, hill descent control, NZZ, underbody shield. Includes UHN, 18x8.5. 45.7 cm by 21.6 cm, bright machined aluminum wheels, tires, P275/55R20 all-terrain, Blackwall, stone blue metallic. SLE preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, seating, heated driver and front passenger, rear axle, 3.42 ratio. Kodiak includes AG1, driver 10-way power seat adjuster when ordered with AZ3, seats only, and 37. Manual tilt and telescopic steering column, VTV, remote vehicle starter system, TU, LED front fog lamps, UG1, universal home remote, C49, rear window defogger, KI4, 110-volt AC power outlet, CJ2, dual zone climate control, and JL1, trailer brake controller, jet black, cloth seat trim, engine. 5.3 liters Ecotec 3 V8 with active fuel management, direct injection and variable valve timing, includes aluminum block construction, 355 horsepower, 265 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 383 pounds-to-foot of torque, 518 Newton-meters, at 4,100 revolutions per minute, more than 300 pounds-to-foot of torque from 2,000 to 5,600 revolutions per minute. STD, engine block heater. Visit us today. Treat yourself. Stop by Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to make this car yours today.